Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change preferred network to 5G if you have chosen 4G network, how you can convert into 5G network in your Realme devices. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open the settings option. Here you can see settings option. First you have to insert a SIM card. If you have not, just put it in the SIM card or insert it. Then you have to go to mobile networks. Here you can see SIM1 showing. Click on SIM1. If you have two SIM card, SIM1 and SIM2, you have to put settings in both SIM1 and both SIM2. Click on SIM1 and then there is a preferred network type. If you have chosen 4G network, then you have to click on that option and choose 5G like I show you. And friends, you can see there is a preferred network type. Then you can see there is a preferred network type. You have to choose this prefer 5G LIT L. Press back and then there is a preferred 5G LTE. You can choose this also and this also. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.